Hi guys, welcome to Youth Gallops of India. It's me Harsh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website on Wix.com. So guys, let's do it. Before going on to click the button Get Started. After clicking on the button, you'll reach to a platform where they'll ask to sign up. If you do not have an account, you should create it up. You can create an account using Facebook or Google. I created the account using Google. So they will ask you two options. Let Wix add create a website for you. Create your website with the Wix editor. And clicking on the second one takes 1 or 2 seconds. From there we reach to a platform from where we should select the template what we want. They're given a lot of options to select to make a website. A lot of examples for us so that we can make our favorite one. There are lots of options like technology and apps, marketing, lots organization, video, music, design, photography, everything are there given by them. You can choose your favorite one, blog, web, much more. I'm clicking on blog. Pick the blog, website, template you love. They ask me this. Train of thought, going places, traveling blogs, many things are there. The hours, they're giving on different types of examples we want. There are 4 to 5 pages, sub pages only for blog. You can think about there are many examples. So I'm going to do a blog website. You can do website in your wish, and I'm going to just introduce the options and the technology what was given by the makers of this software. So I'm going to just introduce this up. So with the introduced elements, you can just make your favorite account according to your wish. You can make it as you wish. So I'm just introducing and saying the procedure how to make and what all are there in Wix. So I'm clicking on a blog example. You can use there are many paragraphs, many sections, many boxes for the user, just like subscribe, making marketing type, many. On the side we have a navigator. In this navigator we have different types of options, add apps, different media. From there we can edit our own things. I deleted the whole thing that was given on the example. So I am adding one element. There are many elements, text, many. Add a vector, add an item, add a mount. There are like many things are there. Blog. So I'm just introducing the whole thing what you want. So these are the things that are present on Wix. You can select what you want, what is in your brain, what is your creativity and what you want to make. The software gives the opportunity to you to create a website what is in your mind. Just create a website like that. I'm just creating a simple one. If you see the website at the ending, you think that it is very bored, but I'm just creating for your knowledge. But you have creativity, you should create with that creativity. So with that imagination you should create a website. So there are many options and many examples, templates for you to create an account, a website. It is published live on the air. Okay, I am selecting box. I'm again selecting it up. I'm again adding. I think I'm adding an account. Call us, like how to contact us, how to contact to my account, how to contact to my website, or how to contact my people. A button to that. If we click the button, we should attach the button to a link, so that if we click the link or the button directly reaches us to a link or a website or a section or to a email or a number of any email or a number. So we are going to do that. We're giving many options: number, email, website, design, many video, laptop, like that. Many things are given by them, so we can choose what we want. So now we are going to introduce what is there in media. In media, there is Facebook, Instagram, Drive, Photos, photo editor, video maker. Many things are given by the software makers for which we want to choose. All are given by them. We just want to choose, click, just give our imagination. We can make a great app with this. So next, and just edit this one. Clicking on, I reached on down, looking the whole scape of my website. Next, I'm showing a very important thing. We can change this website into font. Most of the common people are looking on fonts, so you can create this website into a font mode. I created this into a font mode. You can look how a font looks and how a user can use this. The software makers also gives us the opportunity to view this to the normal people who use fonts. So guys, I think you understand how to make. Now I'm going to publish my website. Written congratulations, your website had published. So I'll click view. It's a new website. Yeah, this is my website. This looks somewhat ugly, but I didn't create anything in this. I just introduced what you want. You can share this website to in link or anything, Facebook, Instagram, anything. You can send this link. Most of the people will view this. If this website becomes a mass winning, so guys, if you connect this with AdSense, you can make a lot of money using this website. So guys, it's a bye from Youth Girls of India. Please like, subscribe and share to most of people, so we will get a lot of views. So guys, bye. It's a big bye from Youth Girls of India. I think this video gets a lot of inspiration for you and understanding for you. So guys, bye.